Armacell is a really great place to work because so many people are collaborative. There's just such a great team environment. Everybody's door is open, and there's so many new challenges for us to take on, and you always know you've got a big team behind you to help you attack whatever you're going after.
I spent 22 years in the military, and my focus was to find some job that was kind of similar to the military that likes to do things the right way, the safe way, at all times. So that's why I chose Armacell.
I've been given the opportunity to travel globally and meet with all the other employees that we have across the world. I was put on a global team about demand generation, in which I went to our German headquarters and talked about the technical aspects of our installation with people from China, from Germany, from France, Brazil, all over the world.
This is a very encouraging environment. There's no such thing as a woman job or a man job. It's all equal. If a man can do it, a woman can do it. We all can do the same job.
I've been to Germany, China, France, Mexico and Canada and several places throughout the United States that I normally wouldn't go. And it's all from a company in Little Spencer, West Virginia.
I wanted a new challenge. I was with my previous company for 14 years in multiple roles, learned about multiple areas, and I wanted to learn something about insulation business and component foams business. And so that's the reason I took up this role, and I will say that within the last 2 years, I've worked with several different functions, which kept me challenged, and I've continued to learn and grow as a person just because right now in my current role I worked with all the 7 plants in the region, and each of them has a different personality. They're all great to work with.
I came to Armacell because I heard about their competitive pay, and the pay is good. I also like the benefits. They have medical, dental, eye, they have the 401k.
Getting to meet new people, which is exciting because work people are like family and friends. We hang out and do stuff up here at work just as well as we do outside of work.
So I've been with Armacell since 2006. They actually were a customer of mine. I graduated with a chemistry degree, and I was a research and development chemist for them at a rubber manufacturing company. And I was working on a project with them, and at the end of the project, they actually hired me away to become their plant chemist and process engineer for one of their component foams facilities. I will always be grateful for the opportunities that Armacell has given me. I joined the organization at a very young age, and they invested in me from day one. And as I've furthered my career, they've always continued to invest in me. They're giving back to me as much as I'm giving to them. There's a great balance there. I always say that, the Armacell Sandy Shadows balance is just really nice, and encouraging continued development of myself and allowing me the space to where I truly do feel like I can make a difference in this organization.